Light pollution refers to the excessive or misdirected artificial light that disrupts the natural nighttime environment. Although often overlooked, it has important effects on both human health and the environment. Light pollution is the use of artificial light in places where natural darkness should exist, particularly at night. It comes from streetlights, billboards, building lights, and other human made sources of light. It disrupts ecosystems by confusing animals like birds and insects, which rely on natural light patterns for navigation, feeding, and reproduction. It can affect human health by disrupting sleep patterns, leading to problems like insomnia and increased stress. Light pollution is mostly an urban problem because cities use lots of artificial light, but it can extend to rural areas too. People may have different views about light pollution. Some might find artificial lights helpful for safety or aesthetics, while others see them as harmful to nature and health. Sources of light pollution includes light trespass, glare, clutter, over-illumination, and sky glow. Light pollution comes in different forms and each one has its own problems. Light trespass. This happens when unwanted light enters your space, like from a street light or a neighbor's porch light that shines through your window at night. It can be very annoying and make it hard to sleep or relax. Glare. Glare is more serious because it can affect safety, especially on roads. It happens when there's a sharp difference between light and dark areas in your vision. This can make it hard to see and even temporarily blind drivers or pedestrians. Glare can cause accidents and disturb the natural environment by confusing animals like birds, insects, and mammals. Clutter. Clutter is when there are too many lights grouped together like bright or flashing lights along roads. This can confuse or distract drivers, making it harder to focus on the road and increasing the chances of accidents. Over illumination. This means using too much light or using it inefficiently. For example, leaving lights on when not needed. Bad lighting designs that light up areas unnecessarily or make them too bright. Sky glow. This is the glow you see above cities at night. It happens because light from the ground reflects back into the sky. Badly aimed lights send light directly upwards, where it gets scattered and returns to the ground, making the sky look bright. Light pollution also happens because of industrialization. Some sources are streetlights, advertising signs, offices, factories, sports arenas, and other commercial lighting. It's especially bad in highly industrialized areas like North America, Europe, and Japan, but even small amounts can cause issues. Social effects of light pollution. The social implications of light pollution extend beyond just environmental issues. Constant over-illumination, particularly at night, is associated with a range of health problems, including increased anxiety, stress, and headaches. Many workplaces with excessive lighting have reported higher levels of worker fatigue, leading to decreased productivity and increased health risks. Furthermore, artificial light disrupts the body's natural sleep cycles, leading to insomnia and poor quality sleep. These factors collectively show the detrimental impact of light pollution on human well being, affecting both mental and physical health. Exposure to light at night lowers melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate the immune system and acts as an antioxidant. Low melatonin levels may lead to higher cancer rates in night workers and women exposed to bright lights at night, such as bathroom night lights, which have been linked to increased breast cancer risk. People with autism often show lower melatonin levels, but the reasons and effects are not fully understood. Light pollution confuses many animals, including migrating birds, nocturnal moths, and sea turtle hatchlings, sometimes leading to their death. It's estimated that 4 to 5 million birds die each year due to collisions caused by light pollution. Light pollution is also linked to more algal blooms in lakes, which can harm water quality and aquatic life.